Some of you might be thinking if there is a way to earn money by simply pushing a button and watching a video. There are also people wondering if they can get paid by leaving a comment or a like on a specific video. Well, you are lucky because it all exists. There is a way for you to earn money online by repeatedly watching videos or leaving comments on it. The money that you can earn from this can easily be transferred to your bank account, PayPal account, or crypto account. Well, I will introduce you to this up and coming online website that only a few people know about. It is completely free and widely available all around the world. Just stay tuned until the end of this video to know more about this amazing strategy. I will also give you some bonus tips in the end, so make sure to finish watching this video. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the online money machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Now, please focus on everything that I will say in order to earn the most money from this strategy. This is a brand new website, so I want you to experience it fully. First, look at this. This shows that there are actually 5 methods that you can utilize in order to make money online from this website. The first way to earn money online is to browse websites, videos, and ads. Another way that you can earn from this site is through lead engagement on social media accounts. You are also allowed to earn money by writing comments and reviews on various products. If you like answering surveys, then you can fill out some and earn money from it. Personally, I think answering surveys is the best way for beginners to earn money from this site. I will show you the homepage of this site. I want to tell you that you can use any device to open this site. Indeed, it is really accessible for people around the world. As you can see, there are various ways on how you can make money from this website. Just choose one from these. After that, start doing the tasks that you have chosen. You will receive your payment every time you reach a given threshold. You can get paid after 24 hours if you are really persistent. It's really good, right? Now, we will proceed on how to sign up to this website. First, just click the registration button found at the top right corner of the screen. It will redirect you to another page where you can see your sign up options. You can sign up with your Google or Microsoft account. You can also opt to use another email by typing it on the space provided. After that, you can click the next button. This time, you will be redirected to your dashboard where you can see your estimated earnings. Your account is new, so it is normal to see $0 in your earnings. Once you start completing tasks, it will increase and you will see it on your dashboard. Since you already have your account, you need to go to your email and verify it. Just open the verification email and follow the instructions stated on it. After that, your account will be fully set up and you can start earning money. On your dashboard, look and hit the Earn button. You will choose the earning method that you like on this part. We'll start to check the first way to earn, which is through browsing websites, videos, and ads. Just press this green button that says earn, and you will be redirected to the page where you can start browsing ads and make money online. Now, just browse the page in order to prove that you are not a bot. Browsing will prevent you from being flagged as a robot. So, just stay and navigate the page until the timer runs out. Then, the task will be credited to you. It is really easy to earn money from this site. You can start over, and I will show you how. There are moments when you will be taken to a random YouTube video like this one. When it happens, just press the play button and watch the video until the time runs out. Please remember that you are not allowed to pause the video before the time runs out. You will not get your pay if you pause it prematurely. Another way to earn money from this site is through leaving engagements on social media. In order to do this method, you just click the earn button again. Then, you will be taken to a page where you need to leave all sorts of engagements on social media platforms. Here are some of the platforms. There are YouTube and Instagram. On YouTube, you can watch videos, subscribe to various channels, and like some videos. Meanwhile, you can like and follow accounts on Instagram. Everyone can do this as we are all social media site users. All you need to do is to click on some things and you will definitely get paid from doing so. I will show you an example on how you can get paid by watching YouTube videos. First, hit the play button. Then, start watching. Just wait until the video is finished. One of the tips that I can give you regarding this method is to lower the video quality by pressing the gear button and adjusting the quality of the video. It will make loading easier and it will definitely save your internet data. This is the second method that the site offers for you to make money online. You can utilize this page by writing reviews and comments on films and other videos. I know a lot of you have noticed that I haven't mentioned the name of the site yet. Well, it is actually called Zareklami or Paid Work Website now. This website is really accessible as they also offer an application which you can download on your Android or Apple phones. This is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.